How to seduce a girl by talking. Ay, qué rico. Well, hello and welcome. I am Arica Angelo, and I am a dating and relationship expert who's been at this for 12 years. And I have to say, when it comes to sex, seduction, I really enjoy talking about this. Why? Because it's the fun part of dating and relationships. So if you are new here, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel. And when you do, make sure that you turn on the notification bell. And the reason why that's important is sometimes just because you subscribe, YouTube doesn't always let you know when these videos are coming out. And listen, this is hot stuff, my man, that you do not want to miss. Muy caliente, mi amor. Okay. So listen, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit of some experiences that I've had, which I think are fun. You may not. I think you will, though. When it comes to seducing a woman by talking to her, the most important thing that you want to bring, it's not so much the semantics. Don't get caught up in semantics here. Get caught up in your presence. What do I mean by that? Your presence, which I mean the energy that you are bringing to her. That's why reading books like The Power of Now, doing meditation, doing yoga, all these things that help you get into your body also help you with women. And the reason why is because energy is everything. Energy don't lie. So when you're with a woman, she picks up on that energy. As a guy, maybe you're not taught how to do that. I really don't like men just don't have this. You guys aren't apes. You understand energy. You just haven't been taught to cultivate it. But listen, energy does not lie, and women pick up on energy. They can feel it. And so that's why so many guys, when they try to watch videos like mine or other dating coaches or pickup artists or whatever, when they try all the semantics, they do everything they've been told to do, but they still get turned down. Why are you getting turned down? You're getting turned down because she can read your energy. She can feel your energy. And when it's not backed up by 100% authentic sexual energy, she feels that shit and she shuts you down because basically she's calling you out. Basically what she's doing is, yeah, you're trying to say all the right things to me, but you don't have that vibe. It's a vibe. I love that song. But she's not feeling that vibe from you. She's not feeling that energy from you. So my man, you got to ground into your sexual energy. You know what I'm saying? Some of you are like, no, I don't have the clue. And maybe if you don't, let me know in the comment section so I can do a video for you. Now, listen, there are two types of men that I've encountered. One just recently, and then, well, he's, okay. So this is where I'm going to tell you some personal experience. One, Italian men. I said in another video, I remember I had just landed in Italy this summer, and I had just landed off of a train. I'm losing this, but I flew in from Paris and I got into Milan. And as soon as I got the train or whatever I was riding, I get off the train and this guy, I mean, he was dressed to T, and I love clothes and fashion. And I look at him and he looks at me and I'm like, oh my God, that man just had sex with me through his eyes. I just got to chill up my leg right now. I was like, whew. This guy had such sexual presence and energy, and he had zero shame about making that known to me. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, ask other women, what does it mean to you? When can you feel a man's sexual energy? So Italian men really have this nailed down. They make zero excuses as to why they're staring you down and thinking through their mind, ooh, the things I want to do to your body. And that's just it. It's giving yourself permission to go there in your mind of thinking I would love to make love to your body. I'd love to be passionate. I'd love to kiss all over those beautiful nipples. It's getting into that energy and giving yourself permission to get into that energy. And as you're in that energy, looking at her and going, I want to do naughty things to you. So give yourself permission to go there. The next thing is eye connection. Just like I was telling you about the guy that I ran into in Italy, and we didn't even speak. It was just this exchange. But when he made eye contact with me, it was unapologetic. I mean, he just looked at me, lasered in, and was like, yep, I would do terrible, naughty things to you. And I'm like, really? How naughty? So when you look at her, be unapologetic about it. Really make connection with her and don't apologize for it with your eyes. So really feel into it. If you really are into her, just look at her. I'm not talking about a creepy stare where you're just like this, but it's a looking up and down. It's a piercing eye gaze. And you can look away to create a little bit of play there, but making that eye connection with her. But when guys do this, this is when you sabotage yourself. When you look at her and she looks at you and you look away real fast. I even see hot guys doing that. It just, ugh. It's like, it's not your masculine. It's not that alpha male. It's like, yes, I give myself permission to look at you, woman, because you're fucking beautiful. So eye connection is very important. We got energy. We've got eye connection. Now, once you've established that connection through your eyes, through your energy, and let's say you're talking to her, this is what I want you to say. I want you to be very seductive, and I want you to lick your lips like this. Listen, what's it gonna take for me to get to know you? You say it in that, oof, that's so hot. You say it in that way. It's not like a licking the lips like, I'm gonna do things to you. Ew, that's gross. That's like rapey, creepy, gross. Don't do that. But what you wanna do is you wanna say it in a way that's very seducing. So just gently lick your lips like this. Listen, girl, what's it gonna take for me to get to know you? You're not saying you wanna have sex with her. You're not saying you're going to do bad things. But you are implying that you want to get to know her. And when a woman really surrenders to you, it's because there's connection there. So let's recap over this really fast. One, it's your energy, it's your presence. So if you don't know how to do that, meditate, read The Power of Now, do some yoga, but get in your body, give yourself permission to have that sexual energy. Two, make that eye connection. Do not look away. If she is looking at you, engage. Don't flake out. Don't bitch out and look away. Maintain eye contact. Let her know that you're interested. And the last thing is this. I just got interrupted. You have to stay to the end and watch these bloopers. It's quite funny. The last thing is this. Lick your lips. Not like this. Don't be creepy about it. But lick your lips. I feel like I need to see myself doing this. It's real sensual. It's not, maybe I wasn't doing it right, but it's very sensual. Like, lick your lips and go, listen, what's it gonna take for me to get to know you? And that is it, my man. Listen, if this is too complex for you, if you're like, Arica, I feel creepy just thinking about doing this, can you help me? Then listen, my love, sign up for coaching with me. I would love to walk you through this, as this is my favorite topic. And stay to the very end, because you'll see me getting interrupted by the staff here. We're like family here, and so yeah, they just like totally interrupted my video. Listen, I'm sending you so much love from Bali. Know this, that you have what it takes. A lot of us have what it takes. We just don't realize we can give ourselves a permission and then act on it. So you have what it takes. And in this moment, baby doll, know that you're loved. I love you. You are loved. Receive that love. Be that love. And I will see you in my next video. You take care. I'm shooting a YouTube. No, today. Shooting a YouTube.